Kandla port crisis. 40-day delays threaten India's rice exports. India has plenty of rice, but can it actually get that rice to global buyers? A major logistics bottleneck at Kandla port is putting exports at risk. Cargo clearance at Kandla is reportedly taking 35 to 40 days, creating serious problems for Indian rice exporters. The issue is especially worrying for shipments with tight import permit deadlines. One vessel carrying around 26,750 tons of rice for Angola arrived on August 6, but exporters are concerned that delays could cause commercial losses, contractual liabilities, and even rejected consignments. And it's not just port congestion. A shortage of containers at Kandla and Mundra is adding pressure, with exporters reporting an inventory buildup of around 50,000 to 80,000 tons in port warehouses. Here's where it gets interesting. India is actually sitting on substantial rice stocks and could benefit from stronger global demand. India exported a record 6.52 million tons of basmati rice in financial year 2025-26, worth about 50,138 crore rupees. Non-basmati rice exports stood at another 15.01 million tons, worth 51,892 crore rupees. But logistics problems are already affecting global prices. Indian non-basmati rice prices have reportedly risen about 13% in 1 month, from $340 to $385 per ton. The bigger concern: global rice production is expected to decline, while import demand could increase. India has the stocks and production capacity, but shipping delays could prevent exporters from capturing that opportunity. So the key question is, can India fix the logistics bottleneck before the next wave of rice exports hits the ports?